Hello, I'm Christina, sophrologist in France. Today I will show you how to make a Tibetan ball sing in this video. I'm using this ball for meditation and also for inducing a deeper relaxation in my sophrology practice. Tibetan monks have been using these balls for centuries for meditation, and it is believed that these balls' vibrations are harmonizing the energy in your body and can also relieve anxiety and stress, and in some cases lower the blood pressure if you combine it with meditation. So it is very easy to make them vibrate. You can use this wooden mallet, which is normally provided with the gong, and if you hit the ball with the wooden part of the mallet, you'll get a higher sound like that. You can listen, it vibrates beautifully for a long time. And then you can also hit it with the part which has leather around it, and then the sound will be deeper like that. The technique for making the ball sing is the following. You will hold the mallet vertically against the ball, and you will apply a slight pressure and start turning the mallet around the ball until you get the sound. You keep your wrist blocked, and you just make the movement from your arm. It has to be a slow movement, otherwise the ball will vibrate against the mallet, especially against the wooden part of the mallet, like this. You have to slow down when it starts vibrating. If you want to keep the gong singing for a longer time, it is easier when you use the rubber part of the mallet. In this case, you would first hit the ball with the mallet and then pick up the sound it makes and start making it sing by turning the mallet around the gong, like that. The advantage of using this part of the mallet is that you can keep this sound going on for a very long time, because there is less vibration, basically no vibration between the mallet and the ball. Then you can just close your eyes and enjoy this singing ball.